Hi guys, and welcome to another EV6 video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. Those who follow my channel know that my Kia EV6 was recently rear-ended, and this is a quick video to give you an update on the repair estimate. If you're new, there's a video on my channel showing the damage and what happened, which you can watch, and I'll leave a link in the description. First of all, getting an appointment with a body shop, or the collision center as we call them here in Canada, is not easy. Those guys are busy. Anyways, I got the appointment, had the car looked at, and they said that they would send the estimate directly to the insurance company. And that's only based on what they see, because they didn't take the car apart to see if there was any damage underneath. If there is any, that's going to be on top of whatever the estimate, obviously. About 4 or 5 days later, the insurance company emailed me that they had approved the estimate of almost $7,500. Now, if you've seen the video of the damage, that's excessive. I was thinking maybe $5,000. It's almost 50% more. So I did ask the insurance company to give me a breakdown of the estimate, and they sent me the details, and when I looked, it was $3,000 just for labor. For those interested, I'm going to upload the entire estimate and leave a link in the description so you can go through the entire estimate and see what they charged me for what, for labor, for parts, everything. Speaking of parts, I called the collision center and asked them for the next steps. They had not ordered the parts yet because I'm in a queue, so it's not my turn yet. Once it's my turn, they'll place the order for the parts, and they have no ETA on the parts. So thankfully my car is drivable. No, I did not get a rental. Yes, the insurance offered it. I like driving my car. So hopefully there are no parts on back order, and that once my turn arrives, they'll place the order and the parts will be here soon. Fingers crossed. At that point, I will get a rental. They have estimated 12 days to finish the job. So let's see. Yeah, this was a quick update because a lot of you wanted to know in the comments section what the estimate was, and here it is. I hope you found the video useful, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.